All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a piece of good news you heard from others.
Okay. I heard a news from one of my friend about the selection of my elder brother in army as a second lieutenant. I received this news 2 years before, more or less in January 2021. Uh, when I was making my presentations, I was swamped making those, and those were the plethora of presentations. I got a phone call from my friend. He told me that my elder brother has been selected in army as a second lieutenant. So I was totally shocked. It completely mesmerized me, and it was an exceptional news for me. So I think this is a good news because my elder brother has a passion to go in the army. He had struggled a lot to go in the army. He studied in cadet college. It was his dream to be an officer in the army. So it was really exceptional news for me that my elder brother got selected in army.
Okay, that's good. 1 minute 6 seconds. So timing is good, but in actual exam, wait for the examiner to interrupt, and then examiner will take you to part 3.
Sure.
Overall, it's good. You used good vocabulary. You elaborated the topic well as well. So just try to make yourself familiar with all the topics, right?
Okay.
Now we go on to speaking part 3. How do people share good news?
People often share good news through phone calls or when they met to each other,
When they
uh,
meet each other?
when they meet each other, and sometimes through letters, sometimes through WhatsApp messages, through Instagram
Okay,
messages.
so talk about all these things one by one.
Okay.
First of all, Instagram. Secondly, thirdly,
Okay.
social media. So talk about them in proper sentences, okay? Not just phrases. Let's go on. Why do people share news on social media?
People share news on social media to make the other people aware that what is going on, and also they want attention from the other people's. Sometimes they are feeling bored in the home and they share any news in the social media.
On the social media. Okay, so try to practice part 3 especially, and add some more ideas, and whatever you want to say, use signpost language first of all, secondly, finally, like this. So looking at your overall performance at present, I'll give you 6 band. With a little extra practice, you can take it to 6.5, right? But for 7, you will have to work hard.